Do you know who this man is? Bee hypnotizer, bee man, or bee musician? Technically, all together. Dr. Norman Gary was a professor of entomology at the University of California, USA, until 1994. He traveled the world with a program called Thriller Bee Show, a display of dangerous bees. During the shows, he played the clarinet, all covered with bees that often even go into his mouth. At each performance, he was locked inside a plexiglass cage to prevent bees from escaping. About 100,000 of these insects landed on Gary, and a lot of them entered his mouth and flew around the cage. He was still stung by a few too, but he didn't pay any attention. He is a self-proclaimed bee psychologist and studied the behavior of bees for more than 30 years. He's already written more than 100 scientific papers describing insect habits. Most recently, he wrote an instructional book called The Honeybee Hobbyist: The Care and Keeping of Bees. He had to give up his beekeeping hobby in 2015, he said, because the equipment is too heavy for me to lift. Now he feeds wild bees in his yard like some folks do wild birds. Still plays the clarinet, alto sax, tenor sax, and flute. Most of his performances are at senior homes and private parties. We shall certainly remember his performances. His Guinness World Record, 109 bees inside his closed mouth for 10 seconds, for the stunt. And his big love for bees as bee man.